Video tutorial will show you how to send out an email campaign using the Shield newsletter template. First, you need to log into the admin area. Once you're logged in, you just go to email marketing, click on that menu and then click on email campaigns, and you click add new campaign. We'll be sending out an email blast. You just click next, and then the details. So you will just give it a name that's relevant to you because the end user won't see the campaign name. Give it a delivery date, delivery time, and the subject of the newsletter is obviously something that's relevant to the contents of that newsletter. So I'll just give it the same name just for this example. Then you set the email from name and also the email from address. Obviously these will be the St. Paul's ones. You click next. You choose the mailing list that you want to go to, so you should have some existing mailing lists that you can choose from, or you can create new ones. So we'll just click next there. The template we'll be using is the Shield, so when you click on that, you'll see a little preview of what that looks like. Just click next. So here is the template for the Shield newsletter. All of this is editable, so you can change that every time you send it out. The menu on the left-hand side here is related to the articles that are inside the newsletter, and when you click, or when the end user clicks on those menu items, it will actually jump to the different news stories. And within each news story you have the area for the heading, the section heading as well, and then this is the body content, and then the image area, so let's work with this news article here. So if we wanted to just give that a name, we'll just call it story 1, and then you just type in the details, details of story 1 here, etc. Styling is very much like Word, so if you wanted to bold that, you could just highlight it and bold it, or if you wanted to, italicize something. Then what you need to do is, I'll show you how to update images as well. Just click on the image, click on properties, and image source is where you find the image. So if you click on this little icon here, you would look for the image inside the relevant folder. So it should be inside mailouts, images, and if you haven't already, mailouts, the Shield images, if you haven't already uploaded it, you can upload it here by clicking upload files, selecting the image that you want and uploading it that way. And then once you've got it there, you just click upload. It'll upload the image, and you'll then see it as another image here to be used. Now, what you need to do after you've set the details of the story is actually create the links. So the first thing you have to do is give the heading of the story an anchor, so that the menu from up here will have a relative point that it will jump to. So just highlight that text and click this hyperlink manager and click the anchor tab, and we'll call it story 1 so that it makes sense. Then when you scroll back up to the heading, to the menu, just highlight that text, click on hyperlink manager, and you choose an existing anchor, and we choose story 1, and we'll hit OK. Then the next link we need to link to is this back to top, so just highlight that, and we've set that in the template, so just highlight it, click the hyperlink manager, and again choose an existing anchor called top, click OK. And the third link you need to set is this read more link, which is the link that takes people to the blog post on the St. Paul's website. So just highlight that text, and then we need to actually click custom links because we'll be choosing a blog post. So you'll see blogs, the Shield newsletter, and then you just choose the blog post you'd like to link it to. Then we'll just hit Save Draft. So let's just say that you've gone through everything. We'll just call this story 1 so that we know what that is. Everything's looking right here. Just click Save Draft. Just send yourself a test to make sure that it's all looking okay. I'll just send that to myself. Just click my Outlook. And, oops, just go and check. See, the shield test has come through. I'll download the pictures. And if I click that, it should jump to story 1. Click that. It should jump back up to the top. So I'll just go to story 1 again. And if I want to read more about story 1, click it, and it takes me to the blog post page on the website. So, if that's all looking correct, then you just go back into your admin section and you would click Next, and it would take you to the next screen where it would ask you to check everything, make sure that you're happy with it, and then you would send it out to your database. And that is basically how you use the Shield newsletter template.